My Naija people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the say it just happened.
The Ogbonge Nigerian female billionaire will be following Sean Alakeja don't go blind, and according to Aute here the story, say the 73-year-old businesswoman start to get the health issue after we be say she and her husband dey for inside plane as the plane walk on crash. Don't we say that they travel, and so her blood pressure can go high. We cause her eye, she not can defeat the sea again. This bride papa don come dey warn his son-in-law wey be the groom wey marry him daughter as him come dey talk say he no believe say na the wife na him go dey cook for am. Say that one na old traditional and na old school. As him come dey talk for on top this video, dey tell the groom say make him dey enter kitchen dey go dey cook for him wife no matter what. As plenty Nigerian men dey come dey complain, dey provoke. Say if na them, na this man dey talk to like this on their wedding day, say they go just cancel the marriage.
Don't believe in what this our culture brings, that you as the husband, you are the head of the family. When you come, you frown your face, that you are there as a father and you be opening your hand. I have come to see, look, where is my food? Who told you that she has to cook for you? Nowhere. Nobody is at her own volition because she wants to make you happy. She wants to enter Al-Jannah and she's going extra mile.
The former Abia State Governor will be Senator Orji Zokalo Dokon dey tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make he officially recognize the late Chief MKO Abiola as one of the past president of Nigeria. But plenty Nigerians don't come the fire ban after they give him say not dey possible. Say because they not swear him and he not even rule any day for inside Nigeria. Say that one na yeye talk. The Anambra State government don't come charge the Ogbonge billionaire native doctor will be Akwa Okuko under 5 count charges them as a talk. 1 na money ritual. 2 na be saying they do juju for hard drug dealers them. 3 be saying they do charm for kidnappers them and also armed robbers them. 4 be saying they do juju for Yahoo boys them. And 5 be saying they do money rituals them for other people them for inside Anambra and outside Anambra State. As they come they talk, say they get plan to scatter in hotel and also in house and also to seize all in cars. The Magistrate Court wey dey for inside Yaba area for Lagos State on Tuesday, February 25, 2025, will don come through and also to free the Ogbonge Nigerian singer wey be Abdulaziz Fashola aka Naira Marley and also Samson Balogun Eletu aka Sam Larry and also Owodunmi Ibrahim aka Prime Boy for on top the Nigerian singer wey be Ileroluwa Aloba wey be Mohbad Bufin case. The wife of this man, wey her name be Mrs. Umi Lukman, don't come out to come confess, say she took her husband, wey be Mr. Lukman Hussein, 36 years old, for chest, wey made the man take by and this boge happen for inside Tasha Tabo district for Tafawa Balewa local government area or Bauchi state. Say because the husband get plan to settle with informal wife. Ogbonge Nigerian singer wey be Dumodu Black don escape Ufin after when he get Ogbonge accident as they call rush and take go hospital where they collect treatment. As plenty of him fans they come dey pray for him, say make him well sharply. The Edo State Immigration Agency wey be EDMA don come dey arrest Okpomiliki Gezem wey be the hope of a common man. Say because they don't want to see Okpomiliki Gezem again for inside Edo State.
Hello. I never bought this money. It's okay.
Ogbonge fire don come burn shops them for inside Ladipo International Market as goods wey worth millions of naira come burn fire. But we never really know what it cause this Ogbonge fire as at when we take the yarn this story. Mr. Ekachai Teranat and the wife will be Lakasana, where they hold the Guinness World Record for inside 2013 as the longest kiss and the kiss for 58 hours 35 minutes. The husband and wife they don't come break up for inside their marriage. This Nigerian man don't come raise alarm after when he see this Ogbonge truck wey carry container for the back and the container not come balance well. As he come the complaint they talk. Say this kind of thing fit cause Ogbonge accident and this container fit fall and this big happen for Anthony area for inside Lagos State.
Can you see the truck? If you negotiate a bend now, this thing will fall. Can you see? Tell me how this belt or whatever will hold this thing from falling. I will say we are doing ourselves, Abi. This is Lagos State, though. Anthony.
After wey kasala come happen between Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan with the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio for inside the Senate plenary, Senator Natasha Akpoti don come charge the Senate President wey be Godswill Akpabio with 100.3 billion naira. This lady for on top this video don come dey tell the husband wey dey tell am say make him go do DNA test for their pikin, as the woman come dey provoke am say she go do this DNA test and the result to come out to say na the man na him get the pikin. She see herself go just jejely comot for the man house to say because this one come show say the man not trust her at all.
It's okay. Wait for the result. When the result come out, even if na you get this pikin, I don't dey go my way. My dear, let me just don't talk. So it's not come as a surprise to you. Don't talk.
The President of the United States of America will be Donald Trump don come talk say they go sell gold card for immigrants them, and that gold card go get privilege of green card and it go cost reach about $5 million. Say this one I say go help to bring people who say they get money to come inside America to come do ogbonge business for inside their country.
We're going to be selling a gold card. You have a green card, this is a gold card. We're going to be putting a price on that card of about $5 million, and that's going to give you green card privileges plus. It's going to be a route to citizenship, and wealthy people will be coming into our country by buying this card. They'll be wealthy, and they'll be successful, and they'll be spending a lot of money and paying a lot of taxes and employing a lot of people.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.